the questions related with the factor theorem. Let me take if px is a polynomial. It is a polynomial, as I have discussed many times. The polynomial is denoted by px and its degree is greater than or equal to 1, and a is any real number. This one also I told you already, any real number. Real number, sum of rational as well as irrational numbers, that will be the real number. Is a real number, and there will be two conditions. Pa, if a is a 0 of the polynomial px, then pa is equal to 0 if x minus a is a factor of px. Second case, you must have to keep in mind, x minus a is a factor if pa is equal to 0. Both are very, very important. Pa means that, in other words, you can say that the remainder you can find out whenever one polynomial is divided by the other polynomial, then you may get the remainder. If remainder is 0, then x minus a will be the factor of it. Okay, this is the factor theorem. Let me solve the question. Factorize x square minus 8x plus 15 by factor theorem. This is 8. This is 8 by factor theorem. Most important question. Factor theorem. The factors. Now you will take, let me take px. Px means this one. This is px. Okay. Px will be equal to x minus a and x minus b. A and b, these will be the 0. In place of px, you can write x square minus 8x plus 15. It will be equal to x minus a and x minus b. Okay, factors of 15. 15 is here. 15 are, what are the factors of 15? 1, 3, 5 and 15 itself. Okay, but you see, the product of these two numbers, 3 and 5, it will be 15. That is why you must have to keep in mind. Let me take, first of all, let me prove whether 3 is a 0 of this polynomial or not. Put, because it is px will be equal to this one. It will be, in place of x, you write 3 square minus 8 into 3 plus 15. It will be equal to how much? 9. It is 9 minus 24 plus 15. And 24 minus 24, that will be equal to 0. Very important thing, you see, this is a very important thing, because 3 is a 0 of this polynomial. P5, I will take P5. 5 is a 0 of this polynomial. In place of x, you will write 5, 8 into 5 plus 15, and it will be 25 minus 40 and plus 15. You see, 40 minus 40, it will be equal to 0. 5 is also a 0 of this polynomial. Therefore, x minus 5 and x minus 3 are the factors of px. These are the factors of px. Very good. Or that is why you must have to keep in mind, if these are the factors, then what will happen? The factorization of this polynomial will be equal to x minus 3 and x minus 5. Because as I told you, the product of both numbers should be equal to 15. A and B product should be 15. This thing also you must have to keep in mind. That is why it is the procedure to find out the factorization of the polynomial. Very simple, but you must have to keep in mind, directly you can find out that this is the remainder. If remainder is 0, then what will happen? X minus 3 is a factor of this polynomial, which is given over here. Okay, I think it will be easy for you to find out the solution of different types of questions. Thank you to all of you.